What if one of your biggest financial assets could help you reach your next goal? Thinking about that kitchen remodel recently, or eyeing that investment property but not sure how to fund it? If your home's value has increased over the past few years, you may have built more equity than you realize. A home equity line of credit, or HELOC, lets you access a portion of that equity without selling your home or giving up the low interest rate on your current mortgage. You can use those funds to renovate your home, consolidate higher interest debt, cover major expenses, or even help finance your next investment property. The best part, you can put your home's equity to work while keeping the mortgage you already have. In just a 5-minute conversation, we can give you an estimate of what may be available without a hard credit pull just to get started. We use advanced property valuation technology to estimate your home's value and available equity to issue fast HELOC pre-approvals with minimal hassle. It's quick, easy, and the best way to decide if a HELOC is the right solution for your goals.